Yeah, very good evening, everybody. First of all, I welcome all for this webinar organized on the occasion of 134th Foundation Day of Mumbai Veterinary College. Uh, to begin with, let me convey the message from the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Colonel Professor Dr. A.M. Paturkar. He was to join and say a few words to start this particular function, but due to some urgent work and some technical issues, he is not present physically, neither he is present on air to give the message. So he has conveyed that there are lots of good wishes for today's program and to the Bombay Veterinary College Alumni Association to carry on the work which the association is doing in the form of supporting the college authorities as well as for upliftment and upbringing of the college as such. Dr. A.M. Paturkar, Colonel A.M. Paturkar extends wholehearted support as well as best wishes from his side and from the university administration for the college as well as for the Alumni Association. With this message from Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Colonel A.M. Paturkar, let us start today's function. And I have been asked to talk something about the Bombay Veterinary College, the Mumbai Veterinary College. Today, fortunately, both the speakers, the orator as well as the president of the function, Aniruddha Belsare and Amol Khedgikar, both of them are Bovets. Incidentally, they happen to be my students as well. I have taught both of them. So they don't need anything to be told about the Bombay Veterinary College, Mumbai Veterinary College as such. But as an associate dean and ex officio president, I feel it is very much necessary to give a brief account of some of the activities which we have done during the last year. But before that, from my behalf, I welcome everybody, Dr. M.M. Shinde, Chairman, Dr. G.S. Khandekar, Secretary, Dr. Salil Hande, Convener, the other office bearers of Mumbai Veterinary College Alumni Association, Dr. Jagdare, Dr. Arvind Chauhan, Dr. Shalaka. Then I also welcome all my ex-teachers, ex-associate deans, retired teachers, professors, present academic staff, non-teaching staff, as well as the student friends who have joined for this particular function. Now, as far as college activities are concerned, as promised yesterday in the last meeting, last 2nd of August function, we have been going on the track. Whatever little bit of disturbance and derailment was there has been improved, and I can share with you that 90% of improvement in all the aspects have been achieved in last year. The remaining 10% could not be achieved because of the COVID-19 pandemic and the situations arising out of it. But as usual, Mumbai Veterinary College is committed to the best possible teaching, research and extension activities to be carried out, and we have been doing that. A lot of efforts have been done. Dr. M.M. Shinde has rightfully mentioned some of the activities which the Alumni Association has done during last year, and really those activities worth a lot of applause from everybody at the college level with the support of Alumni Association. And I must once again say the same sentence, that with the support of Alumni Association, we have been in a position to carry out a lot of functions, and some of the important functions is a 10 days residential NSS camp at Kankavli district Sindhudurga was possible only because of the support of Alumni Association. The help which we gave to the flood affected people in Satara, Sangli and Kolhapur districts was possible only because of Alumni Association. The most important event, the mega reunion, which Dr. Shinde mentioned, was a super duper success, and everybody from Alumni Association has taken efforts for that, and it was a grand success. And of late, after COVID-19 scenario began, it was the Alumni Association which came forward along with some of the staff members, and we procured the safety guards for all the people, all the clinical staff who is working in the OPD as well as in the hospital or the TBCC at Goregaon. In general, Mumbai Veterinary College and the Bombay Veterinary College Alumni Association, They are in close association with each other, with joint hands. They are working in the interest of the institute for improvement in the jobs or the functions which the college is supposed to perform. In the same process, today we have organized this webinar. Let me congratulate and thank Dr. Khandekar, Dr. Hande, Dr. Arvind Chavan and Dr. Shalaka to make it happen in such a small time frame, and the credit rightly goes to Dr. Amol and Dr. Aniruddha for accepting the invitation. And believe me, this was really organized in last 48 to 72 hours, including today morning flag hosting, symbolic flag hosting, so to say, with the presence of 10 to 15 people was done today. And this particular webinar has been organized, and I am really thankful for everybody who worked for this. And I welcome all those who are attending this particular function, and especially the students, because the topic which we have selected and both the speakers are going to talk is the topic of your interest. It relates to wildlife, and so I once again welcome Dr. Amol and Dr. Aniruddha. I hope both of you are doing fine. Amol, greetings from me to you as well as to Mayura and Arjun. And Aniruddha, greetings from my side. I don't know your family size, but greetings to everybody whosoever is there with you. And with these introductory words, let me hand over the mic and the stage to Shalaka, because I know that you all are eager to listen to these two speakers. You can see on the screen Dr. R.S. Sodhi. This is last year's oration, and I really intend to invite that gentleman once again. Maybe after the lockdown and other things are over, we can have another function wherein we can invite some distinguished speakers. And one more point, last but not the least, that rest of the activities which we normally undertake during the 2nd of August function, like, awarding the students, giving the certificates, and some of the functions which are routinely done on every 2nd of August. Because of this particular unprecedented situation and the manner in which we are organizing this particular program, that activity is not possible. So some of the awards we cannot give on this particular day, but in due course of time, when we have a physical gathering, at that time all those programs will be carried out. This is especially a message for the donors, like Dr. Milind Kulkarni and all of them, Dr. Mrs. Bharti Tarwalkar, those who have contributed for giving the awards. We will be doing that in due course when the lockdown is over. So once again, welcome all of you from my side, and also on behalf of the Honorable Vice Chancellor, welcome all of you, and I hand over the stage to Shalaka, please.